First, open Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. To create an AI agent, start by deciding what task you want the agent to perform. Unlike a simple chatbot, an AI agent can be designed to follow instructions, reason through a task, use available tools, and complete a multi-step workflow. Open the workspace where you want to build your agent and choose an appropriate Gemini model from the available options. Next, define the agent's role and behavior in the system instructions. Clearly explain what the agent should do, what information it should use, how it should respond, and what limitations it should follow. For example, you could create an AI research assistant that receives a question, organizes the information, summarizes the important points, and produces a structured answer. Now test the agent with several different requests. Start with simple tasks and gradually introduce more complex, multi-step instructions. Pay attention to whether the agent follows your instructions correctly and produces the expected output. If the responses are inconsistent, improve the system instructions.